You may remember that in the 3-bit comparison video I did, one of the things we looked at was the edge quality. It varied a little between bits, but you could always see that there were 3 steps taken to cut through. This is because bits flex a little bit, and no machine is truly perfectly rigid. These marks can be sanded out pretty quickly, but there's a single step you can take in the programming to eliminate them completely. vCarve's profile toolpath allows for a separate last pass command. This basically means that the first 2 passes cutting downward will be offset by the amount you select, 30 thousandths in this case. The final pass is made at full depth and without the offset, so the entire edge of the part is being trimmed in a single pass, leaving no marks behind. The results are quite easy to see once the debris has been removed from the toolpath. Using lead-ins can eliminate marks at the beginning of your toolpath, and onion skinning means you don't have to sand away tabs. Using these techniques, along with the last pass option, will give you the best possible edge quality. You can learn lots of great techniques like this while working through the projects in my book, The Beginner's Guide to CNC Machining in Wood, from Fox Chapel Publishing.